everyone, welcome back to my channel Drabtofab. So if you are new here, kindly take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit on that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today's tutorial is going to be one brand makeup tutorial, that is Maybelline makeup tutorial, and it's going to be super easy, 10 minutes easy glam look also you can say, or soft glam look. So yeah, let's get started. So obviously starting with the foundation, it's Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Buff, and I will then blend this out with a damp beauty sponge. And please ignore my fingers if you can see a little yellowish tint, because I was doing something with turmeric, so it won't fade so early. So that's it. So after this I am using concealer. This is also from Maybelline Fit Me, obviously, as the title suggests. So it's in the shade it's in the shade Sand Sable, and I'm just going to highlight my T-zone, under eye areas, and also preparing my eyes for eyeshadows. And then again with the same beauty sponge I'm going to blend this out. And now I'm using a loose powder. This is in the shade Light 15 to set my face, that is foundation, concealer, so that nothing grease and lasts longer. And I'm going to bake this for 2 minutes, and then I will with very light hand dust it off. So this is Maybelline Master Contour Palette, and I'm going to bronze my face because I thought, why not save time until the baking is going on. I can bake my face also. Oh sorry, I can bronze my face also. So now it's time to dust off my baking, and I'm using very light hand. And now I'm again continuing with bronzing to give my face some shadows and definitions. So now it's time to add some colors to my face, and ये खुल ही नहीं रहा है. Oh, finally. So it's Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose, and it's little luminous blush, and I'm using all over my face, like cheeks, temples, nose, because I love using this. Okay, so now it's time for some glowy face. So I'm using the same palette and taking that highlighter shade and again applying it mostly all over my face because I love to glow as well. Oh my god, I'm sounding so dramatic today. So now for the eyes, I'm using the same palette and taking that bronzy shade on a fluffy blending brush and applying it all over my eyes. And this is the only shade I'm going to use today, and this look is perfect for everyday office wear, college, wherever you want to step out. And you can carry this look on any color outfit as well, because browns are never out of trend. And I'm just going on packing the same color until I get the best pigmentation. And now with the help of my fingers, I'm picking that highlighter shade and applying it on my center inner eye corners. And lastly, for the eyes, I'm using mascara, and this is Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascaras. So now moving on to the brows. Firstly, I'm giving a good comb, and then I'm using the same mascaras and setting my eyebrows. Now finally, to complete the whole look, I'm using a liquid lipstick, and it's Super Stay Matting liquid lipstick in the shade Ruler. And that's it. We are done with our 10 minutes easy soft glam or glam, whatever you can say, look. And this is versatile look. And lastly, to set and lock the makeup long lasting, I'm using a NYX setting spray.